I'm Chloe and I'm an actor with experience across theatre, short film and commercial. I'm here with creator competitions to guide you through some simple techniques that will help enhance your performance in front of the camera. Let's get started. The way you hold yourself on camera will play a major factor in the message you send to your audience. So, all you need to do for this is just start making some mental notes of your physical movements. The way I like to do this is just ask myself some questions. Could I straighten up my posture? Maybe I want to lift my chin or lower my chin. Then you want to start asking yourself questions that are specific to your target audience. Are my target audience young? Do I want to appear more energetic and free moving? Or maybe your target audience is a business, so you want to think about being confident and direct, so you'll get on the balls of your feet and have a really strong stance and look directly to the camera. As a side note, don't restrict your natural movements. This will come across quite rigid on camera. But there is one exception to that, and that is touching your face. It's okay to touch your face a couple of times, but if you keep constantly touching your face, it will take away from what you're trying to talk about. It may be difficult when starting out to not critique your physical appearance. Don't worry, this is really natural and happens to everyone. If ever I'm feeling insecure, what I tend to do is try to flip it into a positive. So let's say I've got acne on my chin and I can really see it on the camera. I'll stop myself and then start thinking, okay, what do I like about myself right now? And let's say, for instance, my eyes. I like the way my eyes look on camera. I think my eyes look really powerful on camera. And I'll keep saying this until all my focus has been taken away from my chin. Whatever little flaw you may be obsessing over, I guarantee you your audience won't even notice because they'll be focusing on your really great content. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow creator competitions to keep up to date with everything they're up to. I'm looking forward to seeing all your content. Bye!